Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today is episode 15, season 3 of Pick My Pour. And this week, you guys chose to go with the pouring over the Lego bricks with the, this is the Party Vibes number 2 color palette. This color palette, I really like. This color palette is very vibrant, very lively. I'm so excited about it. Pouring over Legos. I've probably only done it a couple times. It is kind of fun. They're broken down. I'm going to build it so you can see the whole process, okay? That way you can see the building of whatever you're going to do in the middle there. And that way you can get an idea of how creative you can be with that. I mean, pretty much we're trying to make a little tall structure is what we're going to try to do with a little bit of curves and stuff just so the paint hits it and dribbles all over. That's going to be the easiest way to describe this. Matter of fact, let's, you know what we're going to do? Let's get these off first. All right. Here, let's make it easy for ourselves. Let's go right into this cup. That's a good idea. And then we'll go through these colors. Now we'll start running through the whole thing. We'll build this, okay? Then we'll layer that cup, and then we'll pour it. It's gonna be very fun. All right, I'm just holding that. I should put the brake on. Good thing about this, my old spinner, it does have a brake. I just gotta figure out it's on this side. There it is. That way it keeps everything steady. Oh, all right. Let's go through these colors really quickly. See, now if I put the brake, it's not even. So that's not good. Let's see. Put it right there. Perfect. Okay. Let's go through these colors really fast, guys. I'm kind of excited. This is going to be one of those crazy kind of pours. All right. Let's start over on this side first, okay? We're going to start over here. And this is Brilliant Purple. All right. Then we have Diozaxine Purple. All right. Over on this side, this is Fluorescent Orange. This is Quinacridone Magenta. All right. And then we're going to also be using a Mars Black from, that's the Artist Loft one. And everything else here is Liquitex. These four are Liquitex. That's Artist Loft up there. All right. Now, like I said, I want to go into this because we have to build this. This is going to be fun. But it'll give you an idea. It really is just fun giving you an idea. And it is going to get sped up, so it's not going to take the long time. So, all right, guys. Whew. With all that being said, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, I'm back in here. That was a lot of fun. Look, we have this beautiful cup. We have this really cool looking little spire type thing we're going to stick in the middle. So it's going to be very easy. Yeah, let's take the cup off now. Oh boy. Oh, I'm so excited. These colors are really cool. Yeah, so it's very easy. We're going to stick this right here. we're going to pour this on top. We're going to go back into some nice music. I might use this as a flow extender around, or if I need to fill in that middle section when we pull this up. We'll see what happens, all right? I have plenty of other paints and colors over there, too. There's a lot left over. All right, guys. All that being said, again, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, we're back. Wow, look, I love, like, those colors are so great. It's so cool that this black is very strong up top here. It looks so cool up there. This bright orange. Oh, I love this. This is so crazy. I really do love this. This came out very good today, guys. Great pick with colors. I do want to clean up this corner just a little bit. Just needs a little bit more. That's nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's great. I like this a lot. Whew. Gotta clean up these corners, though. I didn't want to overspin it because I kind of wanted to keep, you know, a lot of those great designs in there. I didn't want to lose too much. I didn't want to lose too much with spinning. That was great. Whew. I don't even get that dirty. There we go. So you guys got to do that. You guys got to get the Legos, get the Lego bricks, and have fun. You go wild. Hey, look, you could do bigger canvases too. I've done it before, a little bit of bigger canvases, and you can make a bigger tower. You could, there's so many, because really started off, the idea really came from working with pouring over rocks. Okay. And I was thinking, all right, the design of rocks are great, but I could design my own little design to make some cool patterns in there. And you get some really nice patterns in there from the way it just drips off the sides and the corners and all the little crevices that are in there. It's just so great. I really love it. Let's torch. Let's clean up this top too. Oh boy, so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do wish I had a little bit more of the black. You know, like the more predominant. This is more of like a mixed in black, like a more predominant black down here, but it's still nice. Now I'm messy again. Oh boy. All right, there we go. All right, let's get the torching going so we can get to the end of this video so you guys can see the close-ups. We're gonna have the wet, the dry. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the close-ups myself. Look, I enjoy making the videos. I also enjoy watching the videos, but by the time I watch them so many times because as you're editing, it's crazy. But it is a fun process. I really do enjoy it. I enjoy both. I really do enjoy the editing process with the videos, and also, obviously, the creation process is always great. There we go. Nice. All right, guys. So, like I said, we're going to go into those close-ups, and we're going to go to our outro music. And always, big thank you for everyone out there watching, everyone out supporting. everybody out there doing what they need to do to get by day after day in this crazy world that we live in. But yeah, we have art, and art is wonderful, and it's fun, and it's just so satisfying and so freeing. So please go home, try this out. Grab yourself some Lego bricks, or you just even use a rock. You can go back to the videos, find the videos. Maybe I'll link that at the end, one of the brick videos and Lego videos, and just have a fun time, because it's just so fun. It's just so fun pouring on top. And tell you the truth, when you do rocks, okay, do the rocks, at the end you have a beautiful rock left over. So that is also very nice to have in the end. Same with the Lego bricks, but I usually tend to clean those so I can reuse them. But the rocks, yeah, you have beautiful stuff like that. That's just great. All right, guys. Enough of that chitter chatter, but really, let's go into those close-ups. And again, I will see you in the next video. Bye.